Hello, my lovely family. I'm Kathy, Veggie Glow, Easy Fun. Yeah! Kimchi episode 3. Follow up data with soak Napa cabbage and kelp overnight with the Himalaya salt in the water. Look at this beautiful, soft and fresh in the salt water. Let me show you how it's ready. So when it's ready here, so yesterday it's a crispy rice. So now when it back bend, it's nothing cracked. So this is ready to make our kimchi. After this, you clean it up. Until the salt is removed, so you don't have a very salty taste. And yes, that's after that we're going to mix with what? I'm going to show you this best part called Korean traditional red pepper powder. Yeah, this is a medium spicy. Look at the colors. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, right? It's going to be like kimchi like this. Yeah, after that we will mix it with this chili powder, and because it's a vegan Sadvik kimchi is no garlic and onion, so I'm going to use this turmeric and ginger. Have a little bit of the raw honey and Himalaya salt and lemons. Wow, what a very creative. Kathy was trying to learn a different style and try to mix it my own imagination and the taste, because everything is come from your knowledge, like different tastes mixed together, how it come up, right? It's the art, making kimchi, making food. Yeah, cooking your food. And I learned that we can use this apple to ferment it. Yeah, I'm going to try it and then going to share you in next episode. Yeah, keep up with Kathy kimchi making. I love you guys and happy holiday Thanksgiving. Wow, my Thanksgiving is so full of fun, full of joy. Yeah, love you and take care. Bye bye.